Quick Portuguese tips. Hello everyone. Today I make this video in English to help you pronounce some sounds in Portuguese. I hope you enjoy the content and, most important, that I can bring it to you in the best way possible. As you can see, I'm not good at English. Well, let's get to it. Today, this video will be how to make the elegant sound in words. For those who are beginning, this is one of the very difficult sounds to make. In a simple and objective way, I will provide some tips so that I can help you. It is an explanation adapted to help you in your learning. Let's continue with some words and explanations. First word is trabalho. 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 Note in the picture that the next to the word I put another in red and with the lower letter E to make it easier to understand the sound. At the beginning you can start pronouncing the word very softly, and with time when you are familiar with the sound, let it come out naturally and pronounce the whole word at once. When you naturally pronounce the sound of the letter E, it doesn't appear much in the word, and this way the sound of LH begins to appear in the word. Trabalho, trabalho. Next example. Trabalhei, trabalhei. In the same way as in the example above, the correct writing word is in the black, on the left side of the screen, and on the right side the form adapted to easy understand. Start by producing the sound of the letter E, which is lower, very soft. Trabalhei, 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 trabalhei. And when you pronounce it naturally, let only one sound come out. Trabalhei. Very simple, no? Let's go to the next example. Melhor, 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 melhor. In the same way we followed the example above, we'll follow it here. Don't forget to relax to make your pronunciation smooth. Melhor, melhor. Then let it come more natural, as you gain confidence and feel safe. Melhor, melhor. Next example. Ilha, 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 ilha. Note that partners are the same this way. Try to memorize the sound, and we will be able to apply it to several words that contain LH. Ilha, 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 ilha. Always try to stay relaxed. This helps a lot. Next example. Mulher, 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 mulher. Very simple, no? Now, some phrases to put learning into practice. Let's get to it. Todos os dias eu levanto cedo e vou para o trabalho. Todos os dias eu levanto cedo e vou para o trabalho. Eu trabalhei muito nos últimos dias. Eu trabalhei muito nos últimos dias. O melhor de tudo isso está no final. O melhor de tudo isso está no final. Trabalho do outro lado da ilha. Trabalho do outro lado da ilha. Sempre que passo de carro próximo à praça, vejo uma mulher fazendo ginástica. Sempre que passo de carro próximo à praça, vejo uma mulher fazendo ginástica. If you like this type of content and it helps you in your development in Portuguese, leave your comment, like and share. And if you are not subscribed yet, subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This is how YouTube will notify you when new content is posted on the channel. Thank you so much. Until the next video.